Okay, so this is um, a review of Linux Mint. Now Linux Mint is another good distribution for beginners, like Ubuntu. And actually, I should have said that in the Ubuntu review that it was good for beginners. And as you see, it is running the GNOME desktop environment like Ubuntu, but without Unity, which was the sidebar and like the workspace switcher and stuff like that. Actually, now I think the workspace switcher is somewhere else, but I don't know where. But anyway, let's just go get into Linux Mint. This is the CD version, I think. Yeah, it is. This is the CD version of Linux Mint 12. Now you can get Linux Mint KDE, LXDE, which are different desktop environments. Um, so, so yeah, this is actually GNOME 3. I may be reviewing some GNOME 2 desktop environment Linux operating systems later, but this one's a real good for beginners. So if you just go, and you don't even have to click, if you just go bump your mouse cursor up to the right hand, up to the um, top left side of the screen, no, not right hand side, no, on the top left side of the screen, you get a nice menu here, and you can just go search for applications. You can automatically run some applications from here, like the Banshee Media Player. Let's just go in that one real quick. The Banshee Media Player, which is right now loading. And as you see, you get your nice little user-friendly computer right here. Your little computer icon and home. And I am running this in a virtual machine, like I said again, um, because of the same Ruby and driver problems that I have, and I do not like partitioning and stuff like that. Anyway, it has a different theme of buttons on the top. It has some stranger themes. What is this? Oh, update manager. Cancel. Yeah, and plus there's an update manager on this and Ubuntu. You have um, a lot of cool stuff in GNOME 3. You have your little user account thing here, which you can like shut down and stuff. You have your time, you have your network, and you have your volume. Yeah, and you probably just heard some sound from that. And if you go to applications, it does take a second to respond because sometimes it has a good bit of applications it has to load up. Yes, um, advanced settings. I think that says that some games like chess. Um, it has some utilities. It has a movie player, and then this is some of the games. We have Mines, which is a really good game. I really like that game on Windows and Linux. Um, you have startup applications, and you can go create a startup disk too. And this is based on Ubuntu, except without the whole Unity thing and everything. This is create a startup disk. This is the sound recorder and software. Is this the software manager? Oh, I think that this is the software center right here. Is it? Should be loading up. Oh well. Let's just go back to applications real quick here. We have a GW package manager, which is a good package manager. Oh, okay, it's open. Yeah, software manager. You can go get all of your packages that you want, install them. And I think he has wine in here too. That's always what I search for. Is when I yes, wine and play on Linux. Uh, yes, that's what I like. And we have a ton of internet packages. There's so many web browsers for Linux. I mean, like so many. We have Opera. We have um, Firefox. We have Thunderbird. Whoa, why is that so big? Is that because I don't even know. We have Midori web browser, and there's a few other ones like Empathy and Iceweasel, um, and stuff like that. We have Conqueror, which is a good web browser for KDE. Um, we have a ton of stuff. And then we have a wired and wireless network manager, which actually I think a wireless network manager is already built into the operating system, but if you like that better, that's okay. We have science and education. We have programming. You can program on this too, and I think most of them are for free. Yeah, I don't see. I think that everything in this store is free. Yeah, I think that most of the stuff in this thing is free, and we have the featured packages. Let's just go browse through the featured packages we have. XChat, and we have a Songbird, VirtualBox, a ton of stuff. Yeah, that's a good selection. Okay, well, alright, enough looking through that. Now let's just go look at some of the applications that we have here. We have the Synaptic Package Manager, which was one of the best package managers out there. It really is. So, if you want to go get some good packages and stuff like that, and if you can't go find it in the regular software center, go to the Synaptic Package Manager, and you should find it. Oh yeah, and we have Windows wireless drivers, which is a good one. It's for those unique wireless cards out there that just need some Windows drivers on them. But that's very rare that you come across one. Actually, my laptop, which is running Arch Linux, I installed Ubuntu on it first, um, and it found the drivers and everything. I just needed to install the firmware and hook it up to an Ethernet cable. So if you have a Broadcom B43 wireless card, and if you don't have an Ethernet cable, you're in trouble. Let's just go say that. But besides that, it's perfect. What is this? Nibbles. We have network tools, and it looks like Reversi we have here too. Oh yeah, and plus we can look through all the categories. Firewall. Oh yeah, and plus there's like something like 15 known viruses for Linux or something out there on the wiki, on Wikipedia. But that's pretty cool. Yeah, it doesn't seem like we have any Office stuff in here. Well, this is only the CD version, so. Oh yeah, Audacity. I needed to go show you this as soon as it loads up. Actually, I might go show you some. I may go record my screen on my laptop, if it can even, because it's running like KDE with all those cool effects, and it's like an 8-year-old laptop. I don't know if it can handle being recorded. Okay, Audacity. It's basically an audio editor, real cool. Let's just go generate, I don't know, click track. Okay, I just go leave it the default. As you see, maybe it's just my headphones acting up or something, but this isn't the best audio quality. Maybe because we're just running in a virtual machine. But yeah, it sounds a lot better on an actual system. No. Okay, well, that is all for Linux Mint. Hope you enjoyed this video and start learning about Linux, and maybe you can go install it on your actual machine, or do it like I did and install it in VirtualBox. Alright guys, and people, and see you later.